What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Check out this steam engine model kit from Sterling Kit. Links are down below if you want to go check it out. Let's quickly have a look at what you get in the box. So it's RW-BL1K operating manual. It's pretty sweet, gives you everything you need to do, all the parts, which are there a lot of. You can see it's got a very clear step-by-step instruction, assembly with a crankshaft base, pretty easy. Gives you some nice, simple, easy to read instructions. So I'll build this off camera, but there you go. A nice instruction manual. Nice anodized aluminum red base there. There's the main boiler. It's cast aluminum or aluminum parts, nice and heavy. Some of the parts are already like pre-assembled to a degree. There's your crankshaft, your connecting rod, as you can see. So all this is nicely assembled, ready to go. So a lot of maybe the finicky stuff is pre-done for you. A lot of small parts, as you can see, pre-pressed in bearings in some of these parts. So you got a flywheel, a counterweight, sit on the head. You got a couple of different size screwdrivers, a flathead, Phillips head, some tweezers, spanner, and then also some more parts. So, all right, don't waste too much time. I'll crank all this together. If there's anything exciting, I'll show it up. If not, let's get building and let's see the final result and let's get this thing running. So here's some of the product information about it. So it says the main body of the steam engine uses a die-cast brass structure. A brass cylinder is inlaid with a stainless steel cylinder liner. The crankshaft is supported by ball bearings. Complete Stevenson valve can rotate forward. The steam boiler uses a copper welded boiler body and is also equipped with a pressure regulating valve, safety valve, pressure gauge and water level gauge. It also has a vaporized alcohol burner. So I've got to mention all that, but here are some of the other specs there. 0.015 horsepower. Now it could be used for a little boat. That'd be pretty sweet. The boiler capacity is 200 ml. Fuel is 50 ml alcohol. All right, let's see how this thing performs. I've seen some other reviews and it actually performs really well, especially for the price. Now in here is where you add your oil. So a little syringe of oil here. Put it in there, fill it up. Pretty interesting design. So you put your oil in there. Just about that. A little bit more soon. Your water will go in there. And then obviously we'll fill it up with alcohol. Slide it up in there. Watch this pressure rise, and let's see how she goes. Alright, put up the water level. It's approximately there. Started this bad boy up. And let's see how long it takes to boil. See in a bit. It's hard to see, but there is a flame there. Okay, it's pretty much ready to go. Just under 3 bar there. Everything is looking good to go. Let's open this valve a little bit. And you've got to give it a bit of a kickstart. Well, there we go. Look at that. I wonder how slow it can go. Wow, look at that. Just putting along. So it's sitting at a bit steamy, it's 2 bar. Just pumping along, open the valve up a bit. Look at that, pretty responsive. Let's open up a tiny bit. There we go. That runs magnificently. Still sitting at 2 bar, and that took approximately about 5 minutes to heat up, but it's always going to depend on how much water you have. Wow. I'm thoroughly impressed. You've got to think about the price of these. To increase the RPM. The value of money you get nowadays is amazing. So quiet, so smooth, no vibration at all. Really impressed, to be honest. Just putting along. Beautiful. And obviously you got the reverse here. I'm not too sure. Is it the best practice to turn it off and then do it? So now it should spin the other way. There we go. Magnificent. Putting away nicely. Still sitting at 2 bar, or just under 2 bar. That's beautiful. Put the camera down. There we go. That is running magnificently. Now, bring it around here. There we go. Just look at that. Sorry, bump the table there, but increase RPM. A bit of vibration there, but look at that. Magnificent. Sorry guys, I'm just blown away how smooth that runs. Get rid of some of this excess water. What do you guys reckon? Just check out that. Running faultlessly. I love old school steam engines, how could you not? Everything is just mechanical, you can see everything. That's why I don't like diesel or any new electric locomotives. Can't see nothing. But there we go, what do you guys reckon? I think it's a fantastic hit. Amazing value for money when you think about it. Yeah. Alright, let's just shut her off. We're still sitting at 1.5 bar. So if we increase the RPM, look how smooth that runs. Amazing. It's very responsive. Max RPM. And lower it straight back down. Alright, I think it's amazing enough. It's a great model. It's at 1 bar now. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you in the next one. If you're interested in this, links down below. Cheers guys.